Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at the top 10 foods highest in vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It is an essential nutrient, meaning that it cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained through dietary sources or supplements. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to the development of chronic diseases. It plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, a protein necessary for the health of connective tissues, skin, blood vessels, and bones. Signs of vitamin C deficiency include a tendency to bruise or bleed easily, bleeding gums, wobbly teeth, poor wound healing, tiredness, anemia, and small red spots on the skin. Severe vitamin C deficiency is called scurvy. If you meet your recommended daily intake for vitamin C, you are unlikely to need a vitamin C supplement. So let's get started. Number 10. Guava. This fruit has more than twice the amount of vitamin C as an orange and is a great source of dietary fiber. A study showed that eating guava can lower blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 9. Mango. This juicy fruit is packed with vitamin C. Mangoes are a delicious fruit and also give a wealth of nutrients to keep your body healthy. With their impressive list of benefits, they are called the king of fruits in some parts of the world. A few studies suggest that nutrients in mangoes strengthen the immune system, improve digestive health, and even enhance eyesight. Number 8. Strawberries. These little fruits are a powerhouse of vitamin C, containing more than 50% of the recommended daily intake per cup. They also contain a lot of antioxidants, which can help protect against chronic diseases. Number 7. Kiwis. Kiwis are another fruit that is high in vitamin C, containing more than 100% of the recommended daily intake per fruit. They are also a good source of potassium and folate. Number 6. Oranges. You can't talk about vitamin C without mentioning oranges. They are not only one of the best sources of this vitamin, but they are also very easy to find and consume. Number 5. Lemons and limes. These little fruits are actually one of the best sources of vitamin C. They are often used to add flavor to food and drinks, but they can also be eaten whole. Number 4. Red peppers. These colorful peppers are not only a great addition to any dish, but they are also packed with vitamin C. In fact, they contain more than twice the amount of vitamin C as a similar weight of oranges. Number 3. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is a great source of vitamin C, containing more than 100% of the recommended daily intake per cup. It is also a good source of fiber and other nutrients. Number 2. Sauerkraut. This fermented cabbage is one of the best sources of vitamin C, containing more than 10 times the amount of vitamin C as oranges. It is also a good source of probiotics and fiber. Number 1. Acerola cherries. These small fruits are a true powerhouse of vitamin C, containing more than 16 times the amount of vitamin C as oranges. They are often used to make juice and supplements. And there you have it, the top 10 foods highest in vitamin C. Do you know of any other foods that are high in vitamin C? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Have a wonderful day.